वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Hi, in today's Mahabharata with Ranganath, he is going to tell us the story of Drona and Drupada. Ranga, can you take us to the beginning of the story of Drona and Drupada and how it played out through the Mahabharata?
King Prishita was a friend of sage Bharadwaja. King Prishita was the king of northern Panchala. So once he sent off his son, Prince Drupada, to sage Bharadwaja to do his studies. Sage Bharadwaja's son Drona became a friend to Drupada in playing and studies. Prince Drupada made a solemn promise to Drona that when he succeeds his father to the throne, all his wealth will be Drona's. In due course, Prishita died and Drupada became the king. After some years, Drona married Kripi and they had a son named Ashwatthama. One day, Ashwatthama saw the rich kids drinking milk. He also wanted to drink milk. So, his friends made him a mixture of wheat, flour and water. Thinking that he drank milk, Ashwatthama danced with joy. Drona was touched by this humiliation to his son. The villagers said, "Drona, who does not strive to even earn a penny, shame on him, shame on him." Remembering his sweetly spoken promise, Drona went to Drupada. Drupada cast him away, saying that it's true that we were friends, but that was when we were in equal circumstances. It's true that we were comrades once before, but now that I am a king and you are just a Brahman, we are not anymore in equal circumstances. Drona walks away, going to Bhishma. After he was humiliated by Drupada, he went back to his home. Some years later, he heard that Parashurama was giving charity. So he went to get some charity, but he was late. So Parashurama said, "I only have my body and my weapons. Either take one." So Drona took the weapons and the secrets of the weapons. One day, the Kuru princes were playing Vita Danda near a well. The Vita Danda fell in the well. So they had to get it back, but they didn't know how. They saw a Brahmana. It was Drona. Drona told them, "Fight on the descendants of Bharata who throw the Vita Danda in the well. I will retrieve the Vita Danda for you, as well as this ring which I will now throw in the well. If you only give me food and wealth, I will retrieve this ring as well as the Danda." So they told him, "We will give it to you." So Drona picked up a clump of reed, poked them in each other, made a chain and took out the Danda as well as his ring, and he gave it to the Kuru princes. The Kuru princes didn't know who he was, so they took him to Bhishma. Bhishma knew he was Drona, so Drona told him about his past with Drupada. Bhishma then said, "You may stay and be the guru of the Kuru princes." It was time for the preceptor's fee. So he told the Kuru princes to win over the kingdom of Drupada. So when they were near the gates of the Panchal kingdom, the Pandavas stayed back while the Kauravas went ahead, knowing very well that the Kauravas can't defeat the Panchals. So after Draupada had beaten the Kauravas, they returned to where the Pandavas had been. So then the Pandavas went to try. The Pandavas won over the kingdom of Drupada and then took Drupada to Drona. Drona said, "Let us be friends again." So Drona did so, and he took the northern part of Panchala for himself and gave the south to Drupada. After some years, Drupada came up, asked two brothers Yaja and Upayaja to perform a yajna to obtain an invincible son who will slay Drona. From the yajna came two children. One of them was a boy who was born to slay Drona, Drishtadyumna. And then a girl came from that called Draupadi. She was to be the fall of the Kshatriyas, and she will be the cause of much terror to the Kauravas. In the battle of Kurukshetra, Drona slayed King Drupada and King Virata. So Bhima and Drishtadyumna went at Drona, but they were no match. Krishna knew that it was impossible to defeat an armed Drona. So he devised a plan. He told Bhima to kill an elephant named Ashwatthama and proclaimed that he had killed Ashwatthama, who was also the same name of Drona's son, Ashwatthama. But Drona did not believe Bhima. So he asked Yudhishthira, was Ashwatthama really dead? Yudhishthira said, Ashwatthama ataha kunjaraha. That means Ashwatthama the elephant had died. But the latter part, Kunjaraha, was either drowned out by Krishna's conch, the Panchajanya, or he added it as an inaudible. A point to notice is that Yudhishthira's chariot always stayed 4 feet above the ground. But when this was uttered, his chariot touched the ground. So Drona knew that Yudhishthira was always righteous. So he sat down in a yoga pose, took off all his weapons, and then Drishtadyumna beheaded Drona. Even though the Pandavas told him to capture Drona, not to kill him. So that was the story of Drona and Drupada. Thank you.